Okay, I don't know if the camera is doing justice, but the snowflakes that are coming down are like the size of snowballs. And there's my two crazy boys, which I don't have the best shot of, but they're out there playing in the snow. This is insane. Look at these snowflakes. Well, yeah, I guess snowflakes, but seriously, that was a snow. These are snowflakes. This is what's coming down right now. And this is what's expected till tomorrow afternoon. Right now it's Friday, 5/12. And this is expected till Saturday afternoon. Crazy. Don't you throw snowballs this way.
What?
I'm filming. Don't throw snowballs at me. Boys will be boys.